What's good, YouTube? If you want to watch free movies on your Android TV, follow these directions and watch me.
First things first, you want to need an iPhone or Android phone. So what you're going to do is, on your phone, I got iPhone. Excuse the sweat. First of all, excuse the sweat. It's hot in New York, but anyways, you're going to go to Cotomovies. C-O-T-O movies. movies.com. Y'all got that? Oh shit, wrong website. Listen, I'm gonna just show y'all. Cotomovies.com. Here you go. It's gonna take you here. COTOMOVIES.com. So what you're gonna do is, where the camera at? You're gonna scroll all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. So here's the thing. If you got iPhone, you don't need no jailbreak, no nothing. You're gonna get this one. Free app, no jailbreak. If you got Android, there's a button right next to it. Alright? If you got iPhone, this is the version for iPhone. Hit install. And you're gonna get up out of there. Right here, you see it? Cotomovies. It's not gonna be clickable. So what you're gonna do is go to settings. Right? After you go to settings, go to general. When you go to general, go down to profile and device management. Choose this. I see mine's a little different because I already got it set up before I deleted it. So for y'all, for the first time, y'all gonna have to hit verify app. There's gonna be another button here. It's been blue. Verify app. You hit that. Then all y'all do is back out. Then you go back to the app, and now you can click it. Go in. So now, right here, you can watch the movie on the phone, on the iPhone, whatever. Now, if you want to beam it to the TV, you know, this is what you want to do. This, you know, beam it to the TV. All right, let's see a movie. I don't know. Let's do this one, right? So now here, you can choose which server. This is like a little technical. You can choose which server you want or whatever. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit watch now. When you hit watch now, it's gonna have stupid ads, you know, little ads or whatever. You gotta support the people that made this. X that out, and then another one's gonna come up. It's like 2 ads. The extra pop up here. There you go. All right. Now it's loading. Now just to show y'all, it's taking time. See the time just came up. That means it's all loaded, ready to go. Now this is the juice. It's hot. I'm sweating. Here the juicy part. Tap it again. Now they got other options. You want to do AirPlay, Google Cast, but we talking about Android TV now. I'll do a whole other video for if you got Apple TV or something. But if you got Chromecast, Android TV, hit the cast button. Watch this. Look at TV. Look. Huh, the blinds is up. The blinds down. Now that's how you install and get free movies on your Android TV.